Hey guys, J Trades here. Welcome back to another video. So I'll just kind of get right into it. So we took two losses today. We took one on SPX and one on gold. We'll get into this one in a little bit, but let's go ahead and talk about this one. I think this one was I've been doing pretty good these last few days, right? Like we go back to this month, minus 96, plus 104, plus 225. It's safe to say I've been doing pretty good. Um, I took I took $178 loss today. Um, so there was also no high impact news, as you can see. Well, there was for GBP, but as far as USD, just unemployment claims and FOMC member Waller speaks. That was pretty much
Order
it. Oh, again,
consistency, right?
why do I keep doing this? And we're taking two trades. I did actually close one of my 7 units over on SPX. This trade was a 7 unit trade. I went ahead and closed one, took some profits. That's why if you go here, it's only $78 loss instead of like a $100 loss. Because it wasn't this one, it was something else. Then this is the one. Yeah. By the way, and this were mistakes. I did not mean to do this. So, oops. But so technically, we actually lost more than 178 because of this. But I'm not really gonna. That was just a stupid mistake. It was like me putting in my trade, and for some reason my stop loss changed or whatever, so I had to cancel that trade. But anyways, let's talk about this one. Um, I think this one was mostly just overconfidence. Definitely some overconfidence. Not really something I struggled with yet, but uh, it hits eventually. So basically, I saw that we had already retraced down in this event. I thought we were just gonna bull run to this high. That was not the case. Let's talk about what happened. Um, so I went ahead and entered this trade right here. Something like right here. Um, and I marked out this high as a targeted area liquidity, and as you can see, we hit it. I think a much. This is just overly ambitious of me. I think much better. This was at 750. I did actually see this. I think a much better trade would have been to enter here. Stop loss at the bottom of this fair value gap, targeting these highs, and that would have been a sorry. That would have been a 3R trade right there in itself. It's that simple, bro. It's just it's funny because I was just watching a video on PB Trading about like people trying to get out of the break even stage and stuff and like trading, and one of the things he talked about was like don't try to target like these big bull run trades and stuff, right? Just I mean, kind of play it like a scalper. I mean, don't scalp if that's not what you're doing, but um, you don't gotta catch these one. You don't have to catch these huge 1 to 6R and 1 to 10R trades. Just a simple 1 to 2, 1 to 3R. That's all you need, bro. And he's right. So I did miss this sadly. Um, let's go ahead and see why market reversed on me like that now. I think the most obvious conclusion is we retrace into this like middle of this 4 hour for value gap, as you can see. Look, we wicked it. We wicked straight center of it, and we came right back up. I want to see something. So it didn't go to equilibrium, no. But so we wicked into this for value gap. So this is a high time frame reversal. That's the reason why I missed it. It happens. Um, I'm not happy about it, but I mean it's part of the game. Now let's go to gold. This one, this one made me question some things. I haven't really had this happen to me before yet, but I've heard it happen to other people. So let's talk about this. So what I do? I entered this trade, and I entered right here. Stop loss right at the body of this candle, and I literally got stopped out by the tick. I'm not joking. By the tick, I got stopped out. And then in 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this fifth humongous candle, we ran through this. I think a very obvious conclusion would have been had I just something just like that. Like had I actually put it above the wicks instead of trying to target a 3R trade, been content with a 2.4R trade. I think this would have been a great trade. This would have been about $260 something, I think. 240, 260, something like that. I think that's pretty much the obvious one right there. Simple bad stop loss. Honestly, it sucks, but it happens. Like I said, it's part of the game. Same as this. I don't like it, but it's part of the game. Same as this. I don't like it, but it's part of the game. I don't really have anything else to talk about. I guess we can look at my P&L. I'm still up $47 for the month. I'm not really focusing too much on that, but it is something I'll kind of show you each day. Like I said, I'm doing my best to not reset any of these accounts. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got here. Yep, I simply saw that we yesterday we swept these highs on gold, and we were coming down. Entered this 4 hour for value gap, came up, came right back down, made an inverse for value gap, and I was like, oh, probably gonna target these lows right here, and we did target those lows. We actually swept way lower. I'm actually curious to see what we do. Did we feel something? We feel some type of value gap. $4 hour maybe. Daily. Yeah, daily is much more plausible. Yeah, there we go. We filled this daily for value gap to the middle. Yeah. So that's how that went. I think we're gonna be bearish in gold for a while, since these are actually all-time highs. As you can see, we swept. Like I've been targeting longs ever since really last month. Like ever since somewhere around here, it's just been all bearish, or sorry, bullish. Boom, boom, retrace, 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 boom. I don't think it's retracing here. Those are some pretty nasty wicks. I think now that we reached these all-time highs, we're gonna flip bearish, and I believe that we're going to target previous areas of liquidity, previous areas of liquidity, and previous areas of liquidity. Now, obviously, we're not gonna hit all of these in one day. This is gonna be throughout the next probably couple weeks. But that's all I got today, guys. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Watch this trade recap. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. If you have anything to say, please just comment. I do upload pretty often on my story on Instagram. Haven't made a lot of posts, just some story uploads. I do post a lot on there. I'm more active. If you guys have anything, then yeah. I hope you all have a good day, and goodbye.